Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this model we are going to verify that sum of the three angle of a triangle is 180 degree and also the sum of the four angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now you can see in the board that this is a triangle and it has a three angles A, B, C. I represent the angle A, B, C. So if we add up all these three angles, I will get 180 degree. And if we consider our quadrilaterals, this is the quadrilateral PQRS. These are the angles PQRS are the four angles of a quadrilaterals. If we add up all the four angles, I will get 360 degree. So this is applicable for any kind of triangle. For example, right triangle, scalene, isoscalene, equilateral. For any kind of triangles as a closed figure, which is made up of a three sides and three angle, with these applications, this application is valid. In case of quadrilaterals, any kind of quadrilaterals, it may be square, maybe rectangles, maybe trapeziums, for any kind of figure which is a closed figure and it is made up of a four sides and four angles, these applications is valid. That is, the sum of the three angle of a triangle is 180 degree and sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So this is the theoretical knowledge we have learned from the books. Now today in this model, this is a model. So today in this models I am going to verify the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree as well as sum of the four angles of a quadrilaterals is 360 degree. This is our triangles. You can see this is our triangles which is made up of a three angles A, B, C. If we cut all the three angles and we place it separately, then this is A, this is B and this is C. Now with the help of these three angles, see, we'll get a straight line. And as we know that the straight lines always gives a 180 degree. So it's verify that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. As theoretically we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Also today we are going to learn that the sum of the three angles is also give 180 degree practically. This is a quadrilateral. Theoretically we have learned sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now in practically also we are going to show that the sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is also 360 degree. So these are the four angles. If we cut all the angles and with the help of these angles, if we place it in a separately with the help of these four angles, it forms a circles. You can see it forms a complete circles with the angles PQRS. You can see on the chart on the board that it's form a complete circle. And as we know that the complete circles gives us 360 degree. In that way we can prove that in practically that sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we have learned the sum of the three angles is 180 degree, sum of the four angles is 360 degree. This is the knowledge, theoretical knowledge we have learned from the books, and this is we have done it, we have verified in practically. So both the things are same. So I think that way we can link the theoretical class as well as practical class, and I hope it will be really benefited for the students. In that way we can make our classes more interesting so that students will make it fun and they will learn it very easily. So thank you for watching.